Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago, talking copper futures. Copper seems to be in a bit of a tired rally. The rally's still intact, but after being up 5 of 7 sessions, we are now down 3 of the last 4, getting a little bit of pressure from a slightly stronger dollar index today and falling from the June 7th highs of 331, down a little bit under 0.5% today. Part of that is because of the seasonal labor talks that take place. The 44-day strike in a mine in Chile last year is still fresh in everyone's minds, but reports of labor talks going smoothly in Chile are helping to take that sort of pressure out of the market. The talks in the Escondida mine, which is the largest one in the world, and also the site of the 44-day strike that we saw last year, seem to be going smoothly for the first time. And again, that's the largest mine in the world, but the Spencer mine, which is also in Chile, the workers there actually accepted their new contract. So in a market that is very used to supply disruption and annual labor talks, especially in Chile and in Congo and places like that where the production of copper is a dominant industry, seems to be like we're not going to get that supply disruption. That can flip on a dime, but at least that's part of what's pushing the market down a little bit lower today. And then the Chinese data, which always affects the price of copper, just on a general affecting all the price of the base metals. Chinese data came in a little bit mixed. Well, a couple of days ago, we had some pretty strong demand in China in some of the sentiment indicators. And then overnight, we saw new Chinese yuan loans come out slightly lower than expected. And those new loans consist very highly of construction loans, of which base metals would be a huge beneficiary of tons of construction loans. So that number coming out a little bit lower isn't necessarily a broad economic sentiment or economic topic, but it did assist in copper coming off a little bit. Copper is still well bid and that rally is still in place, but it is definitely a tired rally at this point, finishing down about 38 basis points. This is Bob Iaccino talking copper futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.